catching the attention of the viewer is not just about a good hook. You gotta have a good thumbnail as well. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your thumbnail for your video from scratch just on Canva. Let's go. Now I'm already on Canva. Just go on your browser and type in canva.com and the website will pop up. And just create your account and yeah, you can follow along. Okay, so now I'm just gonna click on this icon, the plus icon, to create a new project. And now I'm just gonna type in YouTube thumbnail. And see, I got YouTube thumbnail here. So just click on it. And now Canva just prepared an editing space for me so I can create my thumbnail. Now I have my templates here. I can use templates on Canva, but for now I'm just gonna do it from scratch. Okay, so just go on upload. So here I'm gonna upload my assets, my pictures, my logo, all that we need to create my thumbnail. I already uploaded all I'm gonna need for this. So for yours, it depends on what type of content you create. I'm not gonna tell you what type of picture you're gonna need, illustration you're gonna need. It all depends on you. I'm just gonna show you the process or I did mine so it can inspire you to create yours. But be creative. Okay, let's continue. Okay, for now, I'm gonna drag my background picture. I got a main picture of me, but this picture has no background. I'm gonna replace the background of my picture with another background picture. Okay, so here's my background picture. I'm gonna click on it and it appears right here. I'm gonna resize it so it fits the frame. Okay, great. So I got another layer in the background picture. This is a gradient background here. I'm gonna drag it on top of this background. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is drop down the opacity of this picture so the picture behind it can be visible. Okay, so now I'm going here in transparency and drop down the transparency to maybe 50. Okay, so next thing, I'm gonna drag in my picture. Just click in my picture here and resize it. I need it bigger, maybe like this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do next is I have a screenshot of the Canva website, so I'm gonna put it in this space here. Okay, so this is it. Click on it, and here I don't need those details here. This part, this is the browser part, I don't need it. So I'm gonna crop the picture. Just go here, drag this down here so I can remove the browser head. And now what I'm gonna do next is get those corners rounded. Okay, so I'm going here and okay, good. Next, I'm gonna put this picture behind my picture, the main picture. Okay, so click on position and click on backward. Let's do some adjustment. So now what we're gonna do next is edit our picture so it can look better. So select the picture and go to edit, click on adjust and just click on auto adjust. Canva will just do the job for us. Next, go to edit one more time, click on shadow. I'm gonna put this glow effect on my picture so the edge of the picture can be glowing. So click on glow and you see it is already glowing. So I'm gonna change the color of the glow. Scroll down and go here in color. I'm gonna choose a blue color like this. This is good. And play with the size, leave it at 20. Okay, so now we're gonna do some adjustment here. So the effect just move the picture. I'm gonna do some adjustment here like this. Okay, good. So now what we gonna do next is put some title. So go here in text and add a text box and type in create. This is my first word. I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna type in your home. Duplicate this thumbnail. Now let's edit the titles so it can look beautiful. Okay, so we can select all of them, and for the font I'm gonna choose League Spartan, make it bigger and make the word uppercase like this. Maybe we can drop down the size at 40. Okay, so now let's adjust the position. Oh, I made a mistake here, forgot the U. Okay, fixed. Okay, it is pretty good already. Okay, so now I'm gonna change the color of the title. For the create word, I'm gonna use a red color like this. Okay, and for this one, a blue color. Thumbnails, red as well, and using blue, just a red and blue thing, you know what I mean. So now I'm gonna drop some effects on the titles. Select create and go to effect and choose neon and bring down the intensity, maybe here. We're gonna do the same thing for this one. Neon, bring it down. Thumbnails, bring it down as well. Good. Now next thing we're gonna do is drag in a Canva logo to finish the thumbnail. Okay, just go to upload. I've already uploaded it, so I'm just gonna drag it in. Okay, now let's resize the logo and we're gonna put it somewhere here. All right, man, this is good. And this is it, guys. We've just created a thumbnail for a YouTube video. Go ahead and do yours, because the thumbnail is gonna attract viewer. The way to catch attention of the viewer is the thumbnails, and after that you can work on your hook and stuff and your content, stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you think I'm doing a good job, just drop a comment, leave a like, and follow. See you in the next video. Peace.